If you're looking for a sandwich that's a step above the rest, this is it. Today we're cooking a perfectly crusted tri-tip roast over live fire on our Santa Maria grill. Then slicing and building a sandwich with provolone and a homemade roasted red pepper garlic aioli. We'll be doing today's cook on our beautiful Santa Maria grill. So just light yourself a medium-sized fire with some coal, and we'll be using a mixture of oak and hickory today. We have here a fresh, full-cut tri-tip roast weighing in at just under 2.5 pounds. Begin by removing the hard fats and silver skin from the underside. This step really benefits the cook, so just take your time with it so you'll have minimal waste. When you're done, it should look something like this. Coat both sides with some Worcester sauce as a binder, and we're going to hit this up generously with our LSG Texas Fusion, or you can use your favorite steak rub. Now just let it hang out while we move on to the next step. Up next, slice the top off of a bulb of garlic, hit it with some olive oil and some more LSG Texas Fusion. Wrap that tightly in foil and get it on the Santa Maria grate along with one red bell pepper. Adjust your grate height so you can roast these slowly. As soon as your pepper is fully roasted and your garlic feels soft, it's time to remove them. Place the red pepper in a bowl covered with tin foil for it to steam and rest. About 10 minutes later, remove the skin and the seeds. Place it into a blender cup on top of 1 cup of mayo. Squeeze in the whole bulb of garlic. Add the fresh juice from half a lemon, another shake of Texas Fusion, or you can use salt and pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Give it a good blend and set it aside in the refrigerator. It's now time to get our tri-tip on the Santa Maria, and we want to cook this at approximately 300 degrees Fahrenheit. A good rule of thumb for this is if you can hold your hand over the fire for about 5 or 6 seconds at the grate height, you're right around 300 degrees. So get the tri-tip on and flip occasionally as needed. Once your tri-tip hits about 115 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit in the center, it's time to sear. We're going to lower these grates down closer to the fire so we can sear on all sides. This is what makes Santa Maria cooking so much fun. Continue to sear and flip as needed until the tri-tip hits a temperature of approximately 125 to 128 degrees Fahrenheit. Then remove it from the grill and rest it for at least 15 minutes. While that's resting, we can toast up some ciabatta rolls. Now we can slice this up for some sandwiches. Start with our homemade charred red pepper aioli, a slice of provolone, layer in this perfectly cooked tri-tip, thinly sliced red onion, fresh chopped parsley, and more of that gorgeous charred red pepper aioli. Crown it with the top bun to finish it off, and just take a look at how beautiful that is. The only way you're going to get a delicious sandwich like this is to make it yourself. So give it a try. Thanks for watching today's video, and if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below.